children. Good morning. How are you? Oh, I'm also fine. Thank you. Children, do you remember which topic we have learned yesterday? Yes, in the previous class, which topic we have learned? Letter G. Very good. You remember that, no? Very nice, children. Letter G. Okay. And what comes after G? After G comes letter, yes, letter H. 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 Capital H, small h. Mama H. Baby H. And H sound is H. H sound is H. Before learning this new concept, new topic, we will revise the phonic sounds very fast. Okay? Are you ready for that? Very good. So let's start. A. Very good. A. B. B. Very good. C. C. Yes. Go. D. What is the sound of D? D. E. A. F. G. Very good. G. Go. H. H. I. E. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O sound is? Yes. Ah, very good. P. P. Q. Qu. R. R. S. Very good. S. T. T. U. A. P. P. For W. W. And W. X sound is only S. Y. Y. And Z sound is Z. Very good. Clap for yourself, children. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, we will see the pictures of letter H. Okay? Are you ready for that? H for what comes? Okay? H for, this is Mama H, Baby H. Letter H. H, her, what is this? Hammer. What is this? Hammer. H, her, hammer. H, her, what is this? Head. Yes? H, her, heart. Okay? H, her, hair. H, her, we will write H. Okay? How? F for fish. F for fish. F for fan. F for frog. F for, yes, F for, what's that? F for, yes, okay. Then G. What comes after F? G. G, grapes. G, gun. G, gate. Okay? Now we will see how to write that. Okay? Standing line. Got that? Standing line. We are writing capital F. Okay? Now see. Standing line you have to draw first. Okay? Then you have to give slipping line. And again one slipping line. What's this? Letter F. Letter F. A, B, C, D, E and letter F. Okay? Now how to write small letter F? See. Below this red line you have to give small dot. Got that? Then go up and touch the red line and come down, 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 down and touch the blue line. Two blue lines are there, but which blue line we have to touch? The lower blue line. Okay? Very good. Then what we have to do? What we have to do? Give one sleeping line. The sleeping line should be small one. Okay? See. Small sleeping line. Got? F for. F for. F sound is. Okay? Got that? Now, after F, what comes? G. Very good. How to write G? G you have to write like this. Now you have to draw left half circle. Go up, touch the blue line, then give one slipping line, then again come back and give one standing line. That is capital G. The sound of G is G. G, G, G. Okay? Now, half circle. This one is capital G. Now we are writing which letter? Small g. Okay. Now small g. From where we should start the small g? From the blue line. For that also we have to draw left curve. Okay. So let's start. Half curve. Go up. Otherwise you can do like this. Half curve. Standing line. And take turn. Okay. This one is letter G. Half circle. Standing line. And take small turn and go up. Okay. Letter G. Then what comes after letter G? Yes, yes. After letter G comes letter H. Okay. Now we will learn how to write letter H. Mama H you have learned, no? We will revise it. We will revise Mama letter H. So touch the red line. Capital letters we used to write in 3 lines. Very good. We used to write in upper 3 lines. So from the red line you have to draw standing line. Okay, don't go below. Okay, standing line. Then what we have to do? Yes, we have to Then again go up, touch the red line and draw one standing line. It's too easy now. Okay, again we will write. Okay, standing line, slipping line, and again standing line. Very good. Once again. Okay, standing line, slipping line, standing line. Got that? Once again. Standing line, slipping line, standing line. Oh, now we can write A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? And today we are going to learn letter H. Now you know how to write capital H? Very good. Very good, children. Now we will learn how to write small h. Okay? How to write small h? Let's see. What we have to do for writing small h, we have to keep our pencil on this red line. Which line? Red line. Very good. On the red line. Now draw one standing line. Oh, yes. From this blue line, now keep your pencil on this first blue line. Okay. Then take a turn and come down. Isn't it easy? Yes, it's too easy. Okay. Standing line. Draw standing line from red line up to second blue line. Okay. Then from the second blue line, you have to come down and take turn and touch the lower blue line. Got that? Very good. Again give standing line. Then from this blue line, you have to draw curve like this. Isn't it easy? Very good. Standing line. Yes. From this line, come down. Okay. Yes. Easy. Now you tell me what I have to do. Yes. Just keep pencil on which line? Blue line or red line? Yes. Now you have to keep pencil on red line. Yes. Now come down with a standing line. Then from here take turn and again come down. Isn't it easy? Oh, it's fun to write letter H. Isn't it? Yes, yes. It's fun to write letter H. We have completed